are in Lebih beach area, actually in the east of Bali. This area is famous for seafood market, and then as you see, so many seafood shop. So now we decided to have a lunch before we heading to the east for the trip for today. So I'll choose one of the shop. Follow me.
So hot day today in Bali. It's really like feeling like a 50 degree. There's so many people over here. We're gonna have a lunch. It's just something place nice, yeah?
I think that this one.
Alright, let's go. I hope so it's place enough.
So yeah, we choose this warung because I see that there are so many people eating here. One thing that I noticed, if the warung got lots of guests, it means so young. So as you see, almost full house. And then later on you see what we order.
As you can see, it's very local restaurant. I like it. That's our food. Spicy, probably, as you know what. I'll show you guys a little bit around. It's quite difficult to make a shots over here. Over there is ocean, by the way. Check this out, the food now. It's nice. Spicy.
So good. So what I order actually, this is called ikan goreng nyat-nyat. So with this one is with a Balinese spice, and then this one with the fish bakso fish meatball, and this one is with the salad, spinach, water spinach, and also the sprout salad with the sambal. And what Damian ordered for today's lunch, this one is fish soup. Can I try?
Yes, sure.
So good. Damian also ordered ikan goreng, fried fish. This one is special salad for Damian because he doesn't like sambal at all. So smudge nego. Look at this bully trying to eat fish.
Nice. The fish is here also in the zoo.
This is how local eats.
How like local?
And look at surroundings.
After lunch, and we paid 138k for all of this, what you saw on the table, which is around 9 US. That's a nice car, by the way. Unfortunately, I don't know who is the owner. Maybe he will ask, allow me to have a spin or something. Probably not. However, never ask, never know.
Yeah. So actually, that the fish here are so fresh. As you see that there are many fishermen boat here.
Yeah. It's really very local area, and this is the area where I'm standing here, especially with the camera and talking to the camera. I'm making quite loads of attention. Okay, I think we will heading now to the East Bali. So yeah, today's will be everything about East Bali.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Stealing smokes from your parents. Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
Alright, so we arrived to Candidasa, and we would like to walk in Candidasa, but you can trust us or not, it's hot as you know what.
It's super hot.
Extremely hot. We will have a coffee and we're gonna show you after that speech a few shots from how we drive through Candidasa. However, it's super hot, and yeah, not much is changed.
Not much is changed in Candidasa. Still quiet. So let's have a coffee.
Yeah, let's have a coffee and then will be the shots from Candidasa, and we're still going to the east part of Bali today.
When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old.
Alright, so They have a very nice cake. I confuse which cake that I will choose. Do you have any idea?
This one.
Maybe this one?
This one.
This one?
Maybe this one.
Maybe this one. Siapa yang aku pilih? This one.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Hot cappuccino and yummy cake. Ooh, hold on. Let me try. So yummy.
Look at this small girl here. She drives the bike and she have like a face shield, a mask, but no helmet. That's no problem.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Just arrived. The new hotel in Karangasem is actually very remote area, but I already see it's very beautiful view. However, this place is super new, still fresh. We will see how it's inside. We need just paying and paperwork. Yeah, we'll see.
Right, so we just check in the hotel. As you see, look at the view behind me. Wow, big thumbs up. It's quite a long trip, around 3 hours, 2.5 or 3 hours from Denpasar, because we were having lunch and having a coffee in Candidasa, and then finally we arrived, and then we just wait. The room is ready, so we will see how the room later.
Like Winnie said, we're still waiting, but it's two interesting facts just at the beginning from the lobby and from the garden area. So if you're facing that way, you can see somewhere over here the gate of Lempuyang Temple, the famous gate of Lempuyang Temple, and other side, exactly 180 degree, the top of the Mount Agung
This is
Volcano.
heaven. This is hidden paradise in the east.
And brand new place. We will see how is the room.
Alright, let's see.
And this beautiful palm tree for every palm tree lovers like me.
Beautiful, right?
Shake it, splash it. Clearly.
This is not arak though. This is just water.
This is Karangasem. It's gonna be arak. You don't
No.
Over there is the Lempuyang Gate, Lempuyang Temple. And this is Mount Agung. Right, we already check in. I will show you quickly the room with comments, and then I will show you one more time, probably using different camera. However, room and the hotel itself is very impressive. By the way, before I'm gonna show you the room and the entire place, this is 3-star only. Well, no TV, and maybe that's why. However, it's quite impressive. We pay for the room. How much, honey, we pay for that actually?
500k.
500k, including breakfast for both of us. So as you can see, bed and Winnie already sofa with the front view of the swimming pool. Of course, fridge, mini bar.
Bathroom, honey. It's so impressive.
Bed. Very nice. It's still fresh. You can feel like nobody used to stay here. Probably somebody stay, but now the most impressive thing is bathroom. Yeah, well, obviously over here is the toilet. Big mirror with the 2 sinks for couples. Kind of the wardrobe, towels, and now bathtub. It's echo here inside the shower, and then outside shower with the bathtub. Really nice, really clean, very nice. And this is only 500k. This is actually between Tirtaganga area and Amed. So like I said at the beginning, from the one side you can see literally the Lempuyang Temple gate, and from the other side you can see the Mount Agung Volcano. And now over here is the swimming pool, beautiful gardens. It's only 7 rooms actually, which is 4 like a villa kind of. And over here is the bigger building. Pool, water in the pool is so hot. Already tried, I wanna jump, and the beautiful gardens, palm trees, and obviously view. I will show you one more time just the property without my face, because it's really worth it and you probably will enjoy it. Anyway, nice! So we just get change. I
I know today is super duper hot in Bali, super hot. So when we arrive, we just get changed and look at this monkey. See, already deep into the swimming pool. Oh my god, this is hidden gem in East Bali. I don't know what to say. This is only just, you know, like 7 rooms and not much gas, and with the view. Oh my god, so beautiful. Hi honey.
Hi, honey.
See?
Oh, the pool is so shallow here and deep here. Have to be careful. However, water so warm. Anyway, it's super hot day, as Winnie said and I said. Only I think I will only chill in the pool till rest of the day, till dinner time, okay?
And for your information, oops, see, over there is the land of coconut trees.
Beautiful coconut trees.
Yeah.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza esto no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven.
So, I don't know what to say. I really like this place. This is like, you know, you escape from hustle and bustle life in Denpasar, and then you go to the east to find the place that is really relaxing, you know, close by the nature.
Very nice place, really nice and good vibe. It's very warm here, very hot like elsewhere, but the view and the atmosphere here is very nice.
Wow! And you see the surroundings. You know, I think that in this area, yeah, only this is the resort that you can find. So,
by the way, if you will ask why Winnie have like these glasses, I break her glasses this morning, okay? I will be honest, we just on the way, I break it. This is my emergency sunglasses. Doesn't have any opportunity to buy the new one. However,
but it
buy
still looks
something.
good though.
Yeah, a little bit like men's one, but yeah. But nice color.
Yeah. So guys, that maybe most of you already asking us like where is the best place to chill out with the best or the loved one, maybe for honeymoon.
This is the new place.
Just to enjoy your time with your partner. This is the place.
It's really nice new place.
And this is brand new place. I spoke to the reception and I asked when it is built. Well, actually that it was built 2 years ago.
Starting construction. But they
2 years ago, but they just opened in July, few months. Yeah. So yeah, we can still smell the brand new of the building actually. So.
But that's nice.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right.
Alright, so you know where we are now?
Alright. So after having, you know, chilled by the pool, and we decided to explore the area close by the hotel. So just from the hotel we go to Amed, just 15 minutes actually.
Yes, so we will have a dinner with the beautiful
we will have
view.
Dinner. And you see the sunset behind the Mount Agung mountain. Wow,
yes,
so beautiful.
Alright, let's go and we will show you guys the place what we eat, and of course this beautiful view overlooking the bay and the volcano, and probably will be sunsets.
Barakuda.
Barakuda.
Anggap es barakuda mang ya.
Barakuda?
Fish barakuda. Niki sayur Jepang ya.
Ya. Urap.
Urap. Tero.
Ya, sambal tero.
Perkedel. Suka semua.
Wali, selamat nikmati.
I forgot what to say in this one. I don't know, I just order. Okay, just this one. Okay, I'll just order. So I ordered like red rice, fish, mackerel, barakuda, mackerel, eggplant, corn fritter. Jesus, this what is it? I don't know. Smudge nego. And what you have?
Pizza.
So this is the place where we have dinner with the view of Amed at night. Look at the light at night and the sky.
Alright, so we just come back. Why so dark, by the way? Hold on.
Make it lighter.
Oh, much better. Alright, so we just come back after dinner in Amed. Beautiful time lapses, by the way. Beautiful sunset. Lovely big pizza. I ate all by myself. Could you imagine?
Always like that. So this place actually going to Amed only just 15 minutes.
It's 15 minutes between Amed and Tirtha Ganga area, maybe even closer, 10 minutes close to Lempuyang Temple.
Yeah, so I think that's all our video, guys. You already follow us from we will lunch in a beautiful place, and then we come to Candidasa to make update for you.
Yes.
For you guys who really wants to know how Candidasa is.
And obviously tomorrow will be another day of the east coast of Bali.
Yeah,
We're going home tomorrow actually, but we will show you more and more.
So thank you guys for watching us, and it's time to rest because tomorrow will be a new adventure in East Bali actually.
New adventure.
Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
Take care.